Tired of manually collecting leads for your Smma, wasting hours copy-pasting? Let's ditch the data entry grind and unlock the power of Data Miner to supercharge your social media marketing agency in just 90 seconds. First, head over to the Chrome Web Store and search for Data Miner. It's a Chrome extension, so click Head to Chrome to install it. Once installed, find the Data Miner icon in your browser toolbar, click it, and then select Create a new recipe. This is where the magic happens. Now, let's set up a recipe to extract emails from LinkedIn. Navigate to a LinkedIn search page. Use Data Miner to identify the CSS selectors for the name, job title, and contact info. For each lead, you'll be pointing Data Miner at the specific parts of the web page you want to grab data from. Name each column appropriately, such as name, title, and email. This will organize your data neatly in the final output. Hit Run, and watch Data Miner work its magic. It will automatically scroll through the search results and extract the data based on your recipe. This isn't just for LinkedIn. You can use Data Miner to scrape Instagram followers, extract product details from e-commerce websites, and much more. The possibilities are endless. Once the scraping is complete, export your data as a CSV file. Open it in Excel or Google Sheets to start analyzing and using your newly acquired leads. Now you have a database to work with for email marketing, outreach, and targeted advertising, all thanks to Data Miner. So, say goodbye to manual data entry and hello to more leads, more clients, and a more efficient Smma. Go forth and conquer. Be sure to like and subscribe for more Smma tips and tricks.